aren't we, today? And we're going to make some of these 9-stroke 56. You can see you got it all. Some of these. So, bit of 12mm square bar in point. Gas mark 6, as usual, going through side. Like that, so we're putting the fishtail on them. Show you again, very sharp fish. Getting all them fishtail like that. I'm going to put them on the stroke machine over here. So that patterns aren't outside when it's being scrolled round. Put them in there, that's going to lock that in. Press start. Obviously, that one's there, like that. Take that out. Put it over here onto this press machine. And what we're going to do there is we're going to make that into that shape there. Reverse that out. Give it a little knock on anvil. Just so that it'll line up level. Back over here onto the welding bench. On here, a bit of a jig so that it's all levelled up. Take that out, put it over there. Bit of a weld belt, bump, bump. Bit of a clean up on that weld there. Straight door here. Got a bit of a backstop there. There, bang on that. Program's in. Push that around. So that's nice and level, that's there like that. Shove it in again on the other side. And pretty much that's a 9-stroke 56. So we'll just bob a few colours on there, some 24 by 16 colours, bang them on here. We close that up on both sides and jobs are good and get some of them down here. Not bad for £5.60 on. Well, main thing today is North Valley Forge's big giveaway from Valentine's Day last week, and it's a bit of a skibbly dib, so we're not giving 1 away, we're not giving 2 away, we're not giving 5 away, because I've made some extras and we're going to give 8 of the buggers away. So we're going to draw 8 out of this hat, and just a bit of a message to this fella here, if you're watching, Mr. Joe Hankey. Lovely message he sent us last week, so we're going to give one to you, especially for your wife. So that's that, so that's one out of the way, and a bit of a skilled dib. Here, John, you have a choose. Get your hand in there. Here we go, nobody knows. Who's that? And we'll read this out. It is Matthew Calderbank. So that's that one there. Matthew Calderbank. I've got one here. And this is going to take all day. Steve Whip! Wonder if he's a relation to Walnut Whippy over in Barlick. One coming to you as well. So we're on 3. Another one there. Jonathan Swan. 4. Danny Nicholson. You can give one to your lovely wife. There's number 6 coming out. Joseph Ashworth, you give over, you can't be serious, man. He'll have to come over for his dinner on Sunday or something and I'll give him one. So, what have we got there? 2, 4, 6. Number 7 coming out of the pot. Geraldine Black! You're a winner again! So, here, you sit to that, yep. Come on, have it up. Last dibbly doubly. Here, John, do it on us. Go on, back in there. Don't be looking. Right, last but not least, for all you people that liked and shared the page last week and that, thank you very much. So that's Daryl Jackson. Right, all done and dusted. There we go. All these lovely little roses coming to you. And thanks for watching at North Valley Forge. We'll see you next week. Bob Swift, see you.